Hey, what's up? Hey, how are you? This is another video of Joe's Dentures. I'm going to talk to you again about how to make dentures from the scratch. I guess we have in a video already have few steps ahead, which is the model work, um, the articulation, the bite registration, and then I'm showing you the setting the teeth. Setting the teeth to actually get to something like this. That will be wax triumph. I took it off the model, to wax triumph. So um, I'm just showing you the tutorial of how to do this, and be aware of other videos related to the same objective is to let you know where your dentures coming from. This is what the channel is all about, is showing you how this is made. Also gonna have some free giveaway if you share um, this video and share and follow, subscribe, and send me a notification about you be on it as a subscriber. I will actually help you out. I will put you in that drawing board to participate into a free giveaway. So stay tuned. I will be going to the next, showing you a step by step how to set teeth. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome again. I'm setting up a venture. Just trying to show you sometimes what we go through. So again, welcome to my channel. If it's the first time that you stopping by here, this is tutorial videos. We talk about everything, mostly about dentures. So what's the dentures? This is a finished dentures. This is another finished denture. There is another finished dentures. How the dentures are defined by sometimes if you don't get to learn that at your dental office. So dentures are priced by their teeth, the shade, the type of acrylic, the type of system. There's so many systems out there, like of processing the dentures. You might know a little bit about what, based on your research online. Like there's this called cured. It's a really fast way to get your dentures. You might get it in the same day. There is injection, and there is a heat cure, and also milling, which is now that's with a 3D computer software. So those are where this are, but things that doesn't change much is the making the denture from the scratch. So now the computers are taking over, but again, that technology is not available to everybody. You still has to, like I do prefer this way because that's the way I know. And this old school, this is the way. Computer will not replace almost the human capability of creating a smile. So in this case out here, it's so complex because the client needs to stretch his face because doesn't like how wrinkly it feels. This is the cheek. This is the area under the nose. This is the nose here. Okay, so I have to open this bite a lot. I don't like it, but I have to make sure that when he smiles, he'll be able to see teeth less lower, but at the same time keeping the distance between the top and the bottom the same, because the stretch up his face is requirement. So how I can do this is make my life kind of complicated. I don't like it, when people want to be defiant towards the nature of their situation, and they want some transformation, aesthetic transformation, and then at the same time they want to function. How can you have a both? How can you have a denture that you can eat with and it still make you look young? This is the situation I'm facing right now. Have a denture that make you look young, but at the same time you'll be able to use it in your daily life. So I'm following the arch over here. This is the final product. That's why I'm setting it right on the arch, which is slightly a few millimeters out, so it can create the fullness, like the plastic fillers surgery, um, like you know, to create that fullness in his mouth. So I'm gonna finish up my back teeth, posterior teeth. I'm gonna put it on right now. Sorry, I looking for that posterior tooth right here. I have it. I'm using my heating element to glue the teeth on. I'm using a fixed articulator. Some people use semi-adjustable articulator. Some people use adjustable articulator. I just don't use that. I actually have never worked with an adjustable articulator. I would not know how to use it. I did it in school, but I prefer to do it in a way that I know, not to be improvising. Right? Why would I want to be improvising with fully adjustable articulator? I know it will do the job, but if you used to work with that, then go for it. I'm not. This is the way I do it. Some people do some type of retention support out here, but I don't need that right now. So the support we're talking about, this here, the condyles, and that teeth still can come down. We'll see. We'll see if I still can push it down and leave in the lower, and at least 22 millimeters. So if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification. So this way, you will be able to be notified when I'm on here. Subscribe. So be part of this team. Sometime I have a giveaways that you can be actually one of the person who can have the benefits of my giveaways. So as you can see, the arch is going to kind of tapered like here. It's not a square taper, just tapered in a certain way. I'm following the gums. And this is one of the things that you have to focus on when you're setting dentures. You're following the gums. You don't have to be changing the person's nature. You just follow it. Just put the teeth where the gums are. That's it. You're not gonna get it wrong if you put the teeth where the teeth used to be. That's what I'm trying to do here. The only thing that I don't like is the whole distance between the maxillary and the mandibular. It's big. In order to keep the lips stressed and keep the mouth stressed and make the person look younger. That is what it all is all about. I have another video that I was still gonna continue. I will still continue that video showing what I do next. If you are my follower, you will know I have over 100 videos on here YouTube and showing the basics of how to make a denture. So as right now, I'm kind of done here with my top. So what I will do is kind of go over tooth by tooth in order to see how I did. I'm gonna double glue on, double glue, double checking the retention on the wax. So as you can see here, there is a slightly a curve. I need to push those teeth down because I don't like this curve here. Right here. Right there. I still can't push it out. They have to be symmetrical, looking the same. Here it has to be straight lined. But I'm gonna put my occlusal plate on after this is slightly dry to make sure everything is lining up correctly. So my occlusal plate is this thing. It's about $75. It's not too expensive. You see this curvy looking thing? This is not right, right? So that's what I'm going to change and fix, because this has to be on a straight line. It's extremely off. I has to change it. And that's the thing that fully adjustable articulator don't do. You kind of like working with a straight occlusion without has to deal with what I'm doing right now. So it's slowly by slowly, it has to touch. It must touch the plate. It must touch the plate. Here, I need to pull this out. It must touch the plate. It's a little messy, but I'd rather create the mess instead of So again, I'm gonna keep this video right there. So then I'm gonna have a part 2 video right there. You see, I have to move this slightly down. There's too much wax around, but this is the whole idea. Your teeth has to touch the occlusal plate. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna do the part 2.